What's your name?
My name is Minda.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Which class are you in?
I'm in someone.
Very good. Are you ready for the test today?
Yes.
Let's go. What is it? Do
Chunke.
you like chunke?
Yes.
Great. What is it?
Big banana.
What is the color of this flower?
Bean.
Great. What is it?
Lucky money.
Who gave you lucky money? Who gave you lucky money on TET? Your father, mother, who gave you? Father? All right. What is it?
Kamochi.
Good. What is it?
Firework.
Name?
Make chunke.
Mm-hmm.
Sikkirai.
Mm-hmm.
Bean.
Good.
Pot.
Or
Jet
TET's
body.
party.
Food day.
5.
5 food day.
Spring.
Single. Jam.
Mm-hmm. What do you do before TET? Decorate the house.
Decorate the house.
What do you do during TET? Go
Go to the
to the pagoda.
Go to the pagoda.
Very good. Now, do you like chung cake?
Yes.
What do we need to make chung cake? Tell me.
Sticky rice, bean, pot.
Wow, that's so good. And what do you like to see on TET? Fireworks. Good job. Thank you. Bye-bye. Name?
My name is Ngọc.
How old are you?
I'm 5.
Where are you from?
Vietnam.
Very good. Are you ready for the test today? Are you ready for the test?
Yes.
All right, let's go. What is it?
Chunke.
Great.
Blossom.
Wonderful.
Lucky money.
Mm-hmm.
Kamochi. Firework. Make chunke. Sikkirai.
Great. Beans.
Pot.
Or that's
Jet party.
5 fruit tray. Spring.
Spring roll.
Great.
Jam.
Decorate the house. Go to the pagoda. All right. So tell teacher, do you like chung cake?
Sticky rice.
Do you like chung cake? Yes, no? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, how do we make chung cake? What do we need? Sticky.
Rice. We pot.
Very good. And what do you like to eat on TET?
I like it jam.
I like to eat jam. Okay, very good. What do you do before TET? Decorate
the house.
Good job. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Ngọc Han.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
How old are you?
I'm from Vietnam.
I'm fine.
Right.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Very good. Which class are you in? Son?
San Run.
Are you ready for the test?
Yeah.
Let's go. What is it?
Missing cake.
Chung cake. What is it? Peach.
People blossom.
Good. What is it?
Stick.
Lucky.
Lucky money.
Nice. Is it?
Chemistry.
Is it?
Pot.
Fire.
Work.
What is it?
Missing cake.
Good.
Sticky rice. Pea.
Beans.
Bean. Pot.
Pork. That's
This.
party.
Chili.
5.
5 food tray.
Good. Spring
Spring
roll.
Sam.
Very good. What do you do before that? Decorate the house. What do you do during that? Go to the pagoda. Now, do you like chung cake? Yes?
Yeah.
What do we need to make chung cake? Sticky
rice. Pea. Pot.
pork. Very good. And what do you eat on TET? What do you eat? What do you like to eat? Chung cake or jam? Jam. Very good. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, teacher.